Just as soon as she had dived into the political pool, Kethi Kilonzo's political prospects have been brought to an abrupt halt, at least as far as her bid to fill her father's Makueni senatorial shoes is concerned. Her nomination by the Wiper Party as candidate for the by-election on July 26th now stands officially revoked.
Which way Wiper? Just 1 week to the ballot, with preparations and campaigns for a new candidate, even as this party seeks to flex its political muscles in Makueni County.
Say long live the king.
Wiper Party has passed on the baton to her brother Kethi Kilonzo Jr. But Kethi's infant political journey warrants more questions over how soon her political prospects had generated debate. First, the IEBC tribunal barred her from the ballot, grounds she was not a validly registered voter. Kethi and her nominating party Wiper appealed. The High Court upheld the tribunal's decision, and the two hearings were filled with intrigues therein that would put Kethi under the microscope.
In her own words in examination in chief and during the proceedings before the committee, she said, "I did not bother to check the register, if indeed I had been registered." And in cross-examination, she is recorded as having said, "I am a trained lawyer and a diligent one. It is true that I did not check in the register to confirm my name had been entered in the Green Book."
Whether or not a person is registered as a voter can only be confirmed by inspecting the register of voters.
Our duty under the Constitution is to uphold the rule of law and the values enshrined in the Constitution. And it would be to abuse this duty if we were to uphold Ms. Kilonzo's contentions.
Kethi, through her legal team of James Orengo, Julie Soweto and Harun Dubi, and her nominating party Wiper through lawyer Tom Kajwang, argued that the tribunal that revoked Kethi's nomination and subsequent candidature for the Makueni Senate race had not been impartial by hearing a case that directly touched on the poll body, and as such, it had no jurisdiction to hear and determine the case. The High Court judges would, however, not agree with this position.
The committee was exercising original jurisdiction when it admitted the case against Ms. Kilonzo.
It would naturally be expected that a diligent and knowledgeable lawyer seeking to ensure from her best efforts a credible, free and fair electoral process and intent on ensuring her constitutional rights are truly safeguarded and desirous of safeguarding the Constitution would have at least bothered to check on her registration status.
Kethi may not be out of the woods just yet, with NAC Party through lawyer Alphonse Mutinda seeking verification of her master's degree from the University of Nairobi, alleging it was recalled. The IEBC had stated it would institute action against her as well, and the matter is now understood to be with the Criminal Investigation Department. Kethi's lawyer's spirits were not dampened by the decision, saying there are other avenues to be explored.
We have just received the ruling. We would like to take some time to study it so that we can make an informed decision, so that we are not just speaking out of turn. We have at least 14 days within which to appeal. Again, seeing as this is not about the by-election, we shall take our time to study the ruling and to decide on our next course of action.
Jacky Maribe, Citizen Weekend.